What's going on, guys? Today I've got a taillight tint overlay for my 2021 WRX. I ordered this pack of tint films. It literally just sits over the taillights right here, the white part, and it'll black it out. I think I got these on eBay for about 10 bucks. They came with doubles, so I've got two for the left and two for the right. I've already done the right side. I'm just here to walk you through on how to do the left side. It's going to be the same exact process. There are a couple things that you'll need. First off, you're going to need a razor blade of sorts. Next off, you're going to need a clean microfiber towel and some detail spray just to sort of clean off the exterior right here. I'm going to start by giving that a little quick spray down. Wipe it down, make sure that it's super clean, free of contaminants. That way the adhesive side of the overlay will actually be able to stick. Looks pretty clean to me. And I would recommend also opening your trunk. That way you can get around the side of the taillight right here. Go ahead and grab the correct side for the left side. So this is all the adhesive is. It's just a film that sits over top of the white part of the taillight, like so. Next steps, you're going to need to grab your water, your spray bottle. I'm going to spray it down right here really good and spray the back of the adhesive too. Now what that does is make sure that the tint is able to move around. It doesn't stick and actually stick to the taillights right away. Alright, you also know that we've got the taillight cleaned off, free of contaminants. All you're going to do is take your water bottle, your spray bottle, spray this guy down. You can be pretty generous with it, don't worry about going overboard. And this is just straight up water. There's no soap, there's no shampoo, there's nothing in it, it's just water. Next thing, you're going to peel off your overlay. What I like to do as well is take this guy, spray the back of it just a couple times. Next, you're going to line it up with the white section of your taillight. I like to start from the top left corner and work my way over. You just want to make sure it's all covered. While it's wet, it's still easily movable. Don't have to worry about it starting to stick or anything until it dries. Boom, that looks pretty good to me. Next step, you're going to take some sort of card. I've just got an old gift card right here. And start working these water bubbles out. What I like to do too when I have this card, there's a little extra hanging over right here. I'm just going to take the card, hug the exterior, and fold that over. You can do it by hand too, whichever you prefer. Really just working these water bubbles out. It doesn't have to be perfect yet. We've got a heat gun that we're going to go back over it with. That's going to actually take care of most of those bubbles. Alright, so that looks pretty good to me. Grab the heat gun. And we're just going to start hitting it mostly from this inside section. Continue to work these water bubbles out. Water bubbles don't have to actually be perfect. Over time they will evaporate and come out, but you want to make sure that there's no ginormous bubbles. Right now I've got a couple tiny ones right here along the middle of the bottom section. I'm not worried about those at all. The water will actually evaporate under there and it will eventually flatten itself out. Just hit it with the heat gun a little bit, start to speed that process up. Make sure to keep hitting these sides too where the extra overhang is. When you heat it up, the film actually shrinks, so it'll kind of curl over the outside edge and stick to it really well. And you don't want to be too generous with this heat gun. You know, keep it moving around. Make sure that you're hitting it where those extra spots are, where any water bubbles are. And that's all there is to it, really. Pretty much done. Gonna let that cool down, and then I'm gonna try and hammer out any leftover water bubbles. Looks pretty good to me on this side. I'll actually grab the camera here and show you up close of both sides as well. Here's that left side. Just finished that. You can see on the side right here, there used to be overhang, but hitting it with the heat gun sort of shrinks it and makes it hug that edge a little better. And here's the right side. Same thing. Hit it with the heat gun on those edges and it hugs it a little better. I'll shut the trunk, show you how it looks. Looks a lot better to me than those white guys. Now I am missing the badge right there. Sorry, I just want to let that car pass. I am missing that badge right there. As you can see, my dumbass didn't clean it off enough, and I also didn't let it cure at all. So I lost the badge on the road. I've got another one ordered. It's coming in. But these taillight overlays are really great. They make your back end just look a little bit more aggressive to me. You know, we're looking pretty good. We've got the 4-inch axle back exhausts down here. These are the remarked double wall 4-inch. Got the black WRX badge. This taillight overlays. Gonna replace that badge. And then I just got rid of the Subaru all-wheel drive symmetrical badge on the left side. It's coming together, boys. Looking pretty good. Next stop is going to be performance, aka callback to sport. Looking forward to it. Thanks for watching.